Let's set up our Samsung Galaxy Watch 9. So if you turn it on for the first time, what you will have to do is you will need to choose the language. So in my case, I'm going to choose English United Kingdom, and let's confirm. Here we go. Now over here, we can choose the region or country. In my case, I'm going to choose my country, so I'm going to choose Poland over here, and then we need to restart our watch. After that, you will see the information that you can now pair your smartwatch with your phone. However, we can of course continue without the phone. In order to do this, we need to keep tapping on this logo that we have here at the top. Then we will see this information that we need to long tap, so just press for 3 seconds. So just touch and hold here for 3 seconds. And there we go, now we are starting. So now let's wait again. There we go, now in my case I have this Add Tiles button, so I'm gonna use it. Over here we have the information that we can customize our tiles with multiple elements, and we can add a tile, then tap the plus to add it. So let's tap on this check to continue, and let's see if we can find anything in here. Now it seems that in my case I have a couple of options, so let's say I'm just gonna choose anything for now. Of course in your case you might want to keep adding more and more stuff, but let's say that this is everything that I need. Now we can just swipe back if we can, of course. There we go, we have some basic widgets as well. We have the fitness, the health. And there we go, here we have our watch face. So that's all you have to do, and leave a like and subscribe.